Reverse parking is a fundamental skill that every driver should master to navigate busy parking lots with confidence and ease. Today, we will break down the process into 4 simple steps using this silver sedan to help you park perfectly every time. Step 1 is all about positioning. You must align your vehicle parallel to the car parked just in front of your target spot. Ensure there is about 2 feet of space between your car and the parked vehicle. This distance is crucial for a successful turn. Once aligned, we move to step 2, preparation and safety checks. Before moving, always shift your gear into reverse. Safety is paramount. Check your side mirrors and your rearview mirror to ensure no pedestrians or other vehicles are approaching. Don't forget to look over your shoulder to check your blind spots. Technology is helpful, but physical checks are the most reliable. Step 3 is the maneuver itself. Begin backing up slowly while keeping your steering wheel straight until your bumper clears the car next to you. When your rear bumper reaches the end of the parked car, turn your steering wheel sharply in the direction of the parking spot. Aim for a 45-degree angle. This specific geometry allows the car to pivot smoothly into the designated space without hitting the edges. Watch your mirrors closely during this phase to maintain a safe distance from the vehicles on either side of the spot. As the car enters the spot, begin straightening the wheel. This is step 4, final centering and completion of the maneuver. Adjust your position until the car is perfectly centered. Being centered ensures you have enough room to open your doors comfortably. Once you are satisfied with the position, bring the car to a complete stop and shift the gear into park. Finally, apply the parking brake. You have now successfully completed a perfect reverse park. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying